Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in our CMS series. If you have been following along, you already know we have covered quite a few useful features of the CMS. So today we are going to dive into the HR section of the CMS. This section is where you can manage all your employees' data, like their attendance, their work hour, their salary, their expense, everything in one place. So let's get started. So firstly, let's go to the employee master section. सो बेसिकली आप इस सेक्शन में अपने एम्प्लॉय की सारी डिटेल्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं, उसे एडिट कर सकते हैं और डिलीट कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्टली आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड अ एम्प्लॉय डिटेल here. So here I input all the basic details of the employee named Vivek, and I set a unique email and password for this employee. And the key point here is that each employee will have their own individual login and password. This ensures that the task assigned to one employee will only be visible to them and not to others. The task which you will assign from the daybook. So here I am clicking on the save, and here is the employee name. You can edit the details of the employee, like salary detail you can edit whatever field you wanna change. You can delete the detail of this employee as well. You can change the password as well. Now, as an admin, you will have access to all the features, but we have added a functionality called menu access. This allows you to control what specific features each employee can see. For example, if you want to assign only the GST client work to a particular employee, so you can easily do that. By selecting the dashboard, daybook, and the client section, you can limit the access to the only the GST section, ensuring they only see the relevant tasks and details. So here I'm going to give the menu access to the employee named Vivek. I'm clicking on the dashboard. I'm giving him the permission of create, read, and update. In the my form, I'm giving the permission of create, read, and delete. Next to the daybook, I'm giving the permission of create, update, read. In the multi-daybook, I'm giving the permission of I'm not giving the permission of read. So in the all clients, I'm giving permission to the GST, like he can create, he can read, he can delete. I'm clicking on the save. Now let's copy the email of this employee and log into their system, log into their employee portal. I'm just putting the email and simply clicking on the login. So here is the dashboard of the employee. For check-in, simply click on the check-in. So here the date. So now let's move on to the attendance section. Here you can track the attendance of your employees, including the days they were present and the hours they have worked. Like whenever any employee do check-in from their dashboard, admin will get to know that which employee do check-in. And the timing of check-in and check-out will also show here. How many hours the employee worked, this will also show here. You can delete this data and you can check out any employee as an admin from the system as well. You can filter the data, you can search the data. Simply I'm going to search any employee's name. Vivek. So here is the search data. You can filter this data as well. Like if you wanna filter any employee name, here's the result. Simply clicking on the refresh. If you wanna filter like from the start date to end date, you can do that as well. So that's it for the attendance. So next up is the salary management section. This is where you can manage everything related to your employee's salary. You can generate salary, you can edit salary, you can delete the details as well. For generating the salary, simply clicking on the month, like for example, I'm selecting December month and generating the salary. Here the salary gets generated. I can search the December month salary by selecting the month. So here all the December month salary is showing in the table. So for easy tracking, we gave this filter functionality in the salary. For edit the details in the salary, when you will click on the edit, you will have the edit form. Here you can add additional salary detail like adjustment type. If you wanna give any advance to the employee, you can do it that as well. Just put the amount, select the date, and click on the add. If you wanna give any incentive to your employee, put the amount, select the date, and simply click on the save. According to the adjustment, the salary will get calculated. Simply clicking on the update. So this is how you can add the salary and the adjustment type. So whatever the salary detail is here, you can view as a balance as a report in the salary PL. Here you can view the salary detail of each employee. Like I am selecting the employee name and clicking on the get reports. Here is the T2 Sharma employee. All the salary details is showing. And view like what is the basic salary of an employee, how much salary you paid, how much salary is left to pay to the employer, how much advance you have given to this employer. All the details you can view from the salary PL section. So moving forward, we have an expense section. So in this section, you can track and manage any small office related expense like tea, snacks, or any other daily expenses. Simply clicking on the add expense and filling all the details, and you will have the details in this table. You can do the credit entry as well from this section. You can edit the details, you can delete the details, you can search the details as well. And we are generating automatic report for days expense. Here you can see. So you can keep everything organized and easily manage your office cost. Here you can use the filter functionality like start date, end date, and employee name. And clicking on the get report, you will have the report as well. Suppose I'm clicking on the T2 Sharma. So this employee is having these details related to expense. So this is for the expense. So finally, we are having office notes section. Here you can add the note for any specific employees. Like I'm going to create a note for employee name Ria and putting the note like, hey Ria, anything you wanna add in the note section, you can add. Simply clicking on the add note, and the note is gets saved for Ria Sharma. And you can send this note to this employee as well. Any note you will send will appear on the employee's dashboard, ensuring that they stay informed of any important updates or messages. So that's quick overview of the HR section in the CMS. It is designed to make your HR management process as smooth as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on how to use the CMS. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.